Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1968 Dodge Dart GT. This is a super stock, lightweight replica. Gorgeous car, guys. It's out of North Carolina. It's got a good, solid North Carolina body. It's a recent. The gentleman told us he spent about $100,000 building this car. Complete frame-off restoration. It's got a Joey Arrington built 426 cubic inch Hemi in it. Dana rear, and gorgeous, man. Slick tuxedo black paint. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. Matter of fact, it's got the lightweight style seats on it. And man, just a super cool car, man. I actually got this car from a buddy of mine who's a collector. He's out of Alabama. I did some horse trading with him to get the car. And he had the car. He actually just recently had a problem with a Hemi. Had the Hemi completely tore down and rebuilt. He said there's less than 50 miles on this engine. Car's got plenty of power. But probably the most impressive thing about this car is the way it drives. You know, with that kind of horsepower, you think it'd be all over the road. It's nice and tight, drives out excellent, you know, doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle. Just really nicely done car. You can nitpick some of the trim on it. It's about I think he said it's like a 5-6 year old restoration. So there's you can kind of, as I walk through, I kind of show you, there's some marks in the paint that you can nitpick, but still very, very nice. You can see it's a pretty car. Original Chrysler glass there in the back. You see a ding, a couple of little dings right there that they've touched up. Tail light bezels are nice. The bumpers are new. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Mickey Thompson ET Street Radials on the back. Pretty car. Nice little tiny ding there in the paint. Again, not trying to nitpick it to death, but this car's got 5-spoke Strange engineering wheels on it. It's also got Strange axles, as you can see in the rear. 4-wheel disc brakes. I love the 68 marker lights. Pretty cool Hemi longitudinal stripe it's got on it. Again, 426 cubic inch Hemi, built to cruise, plenty of power, but it's not so radical you can't drive it. It's got dual Holley 4 barrels on it. It's got the Mopar cross ram intake on it. It's got bullet bob headers on it. Mickey Thompson aluminum valve covers. Again, it's got Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Aluminum radiator with dual fans. Aluminum water pump, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Just put it in drive and go. You can see it's got the aluminum pulleys on the front. Good looking car, man. cool, man. It's got bucket seats, got the lightweight style brackets in the seats. It's a cool car, man. And like I say, fun to drive. And you want to talk about something that draws some attention. Factory dash showing 37,360. You can see it there, and the speedo does work. It's got the old Stewart Warner tach. It's got some Stewart Warner gauges, radio and heater delete. It is mini tubbed in the rear. Again, it's got frame ties. It's a Dana 6354 Sure Grip with strange axles in the back. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Clean car. It's all body color in the trunk. Nice and clean in there. They've relocated the battery to the rear. Get my fingerprints on it. That's a good looking car right there. Got it up in the air. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. That's a neat car, man. I love this car. When I saw my buddy had it, man, I loved it. Like say you fire this thing in, you jump in it and drive it. I think it drives even better than it looks. It's a great car. Dash is nice. Really nicely done car. Got the super stock scoop.
That worked it off a little bit though.
Does work, says a little fuel gauge works. Once it warms up, it'll idle down a little bit too. Boy, this car's pretty, man. I hope you can see him. The sun's right behind him. Backup lights work. Man, this car just screams fun.
Oh my god. I love
it. Doors open and close real nice. The fit and finish is nice on the car. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh man, that's bad right there, boys. Have a great day, guys.